So my name is Moses Giadi. I'm a salesman with the Ivory Motors. We are located at Nangata Road. We are opposite to Uhuru Gardens, and we are dealers of used and new cars, mostly from Japan, German, that's the European cars, Japanese cars, and also we deal with local assembled cars. We deal with used cars that are used that has been used locally, and the cars mostly we are dealing with is small cars because they are doing good in business, especially Toyotas. Example like Allion Fielder, Premium, small other cars like Nissan Bluebird, Nissan Vanette. They are doing good, especially in such a moment that people are no longer using Succeed and Probox, so people are referring using Vanette, especially for commercial work. So they are doing good in market, and also like used pickups. They are doing well in market, especially when they are used, especially like Toyota, Hilux, D-Max. They are also fetching in market. So I encourage any person going out there to visit our showroom, and you're going to get varieties of the car. You cannot lack the car you are looking for. I came my first time to hear about Springboard. I saw it through an advert. There was the first time I visited Ivory Motors, even before I became an employee of Ivory Motors. I found, because I was a friend to one person who was working with Ivory Motors by then, I found an advert in the office, and I wanted to, it mentioned something with a microfinance, and then I followed and I got information. It's a microfinance, something to do with the asset financing, and I got an interest. So the guy explained to me. So that's how I came to know about the Springboard. And I was told about the location in Gara, Moranga Road, Kensia House. Yeah, all that information was given. Okay, what motivated me to take their loan? First and foremost is their interest. Compared to, because I had tried visiting several banks, several microfinance institutions, but for the Springboard I preferred because of their interest, because I had it's a 3.5% reducing, unlike the bank which is fixed. So that's what motivated me to go for Springboard. By then I was buying a car, and then it was costing me 1.2. Then I applied a loan of 600K. I was given 24 months, but I did it within 15 months because of their reducing rate. Because as I said there earlier, that it's different from the bank, whereby if it's a bank you are required to pay like 19%. It's fixed 19%. But for the case of Springboard, it's 3.5 reducing. So that's why I opted to go for this institution. First and foremost, there were no hidden charges. The person I met there, she was so open to me. She explained everything into details. Unlike the bank, whereby you are supposed to pay a certain amount of money, but there's no person who is explaining to you, this money is meant for the lawyer, this is meant for this. We have green card coming to you. You are doing telephone calls. They were open to me, explaining to me each and every detail. There were no hidden charges. So that was the first and foremost thing that encouraged me. Another thing, they are reducing. I enjoyed their reducing rates, because at the end of the day, what I paid initially is not what I paid the last week. Yeah. I can say number one, I acquired a car because I was getting the finance to buy a car, which I was to take to a cab company. So that's the benefit number one. I acquired an asset. Second, from that asset to the place I took, I was getting some benefits, because at the end of the day I was getting money. I was paying the loan and I was remaining with something. Yeah. Yes, I can do, and I have. In fact, I have taken several persons to Springboard. I have recommended so many persons, and their response it has been positive.